Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download maps on Sygic GPS. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see three horizontal lines. This is your main menu icon that gives you access to all the important features and settings within Sygic GPS. Go ahead and tap on it to open the menu. Once the menu opens, you'll see several options listed. Look for the one that says Offline Maps and tap on it. This section is specifically designed to help you manage all your downloaded maps, which is essential when you're traveling to areas where you might not have a reliable internet connection. Having offline maps means you can navigate confidently without worrying about data usage or losing signal in remote locations. Now, within the Offline Maps section, you'll notice an option that says Choose Different Maps. Tap on this option to proceed. This will take you to a comprehensive list of all available map regions and countries that Sygic offers for download. The selection is quite extensive, covering countries and regions from all around the world, so you'll have plenty of options to choose from depending on where you plan to travel. Take a moment to browse through the list and find the specific country or region map you need. You can scroll through the list or use the search function if available to quickly locate your desired map. Once you've found the country map you want to download, you'll notice a download icon positioned right beside it. This icon typically looks like a downward arrow or a cloud with an arrow, making it easy to spot. Go ahead and tap the download icon next to your chosen map. As soon as you tap it, Sygic will immediately begin downloading the map to your device. You'll see a progress indicator showing you how much of the download has completed. Depending on the size of the map and your internet connection speed, this process might take anywhere from a few seconds to several minutes. Larger country maps with detailed navigation data will naturally take longer to download, so be patient and let it complete. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded an offline map on Sygic GPS, which means you're now ready to navigate even without an internet connection. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.